If you watch affiliate marketing videos on YouTube, you're probably sick of seeing these rented Lamborghinis and these fake Stripe screenshots, and they seem like making $500 every second. As a beginner, you do not need 10,000 US dollars tomorrow, right? You do not need that. You just need to make $100 a day, your first $100 a day. Because once you start to predictably make that, you have the exact formula to quit that 9 to 5 job that you have. Now, most beginners, what they do is they go and try to achieve that $100 a day, the $3,000 per month mark, the dream mark, running around and doing everything, like running around like headless chicken there. They're trying to, achieve this number using a broken mathematical equation, right? It's pure maths. Hitting $100 a day is pure maths. It's pure logic, right? I will show you exactly how to achieve it right now. We are removing all the emotion in this video, all the hype, all the guru BS, and we are going to map out the exact verifiable maths of what it takes to make that $100 per day as an affiliate in 2026. I am going to show you how many clicks you need, how many leads you need, and the exact conversion rate that you need to hit that number, that $100 per day number, without ever going viral. All right, you'll know exactly what to do, what the number that you need to hit on a daily basis, so that you can focus on that in order to hit that $100 per day mark. Let's look at the old way first, right? So understand why you might be failing right now. So if you go to a network like ClickBank, for example, and then grab a link for a $50 product, like $50 commission you make for that product, and then send cold traffic directly to the sales page of that product, your math is completely broken here. You will never be able to achieve $100 per day, right? The conversion rate on cold traffic is about 1%. So that means for every 100 people, only one person buys. And that means you make $50 for every 100 people that you send. So in order to hit that $100 per day mark, you would need about 200 clicks, 200 highly targeted buyer intent clicks every single day. Now, if you have zero following, or if you have a full-time job, then generating these 200 clicks a day organically is almost impossible. You will burn out within a week. The volume required is too high because the value of the customer, right? The value of the customer is too low. So to fix the math, we don't need more traffic. We need better funnel. We need an ecosystem that increases your average order value, that is AOV. So instead of sending traffic directly to a $50 offer, we send traffic to a small $3 offer. Now, how does this work? How will this help you get that $100 per day mark? Let me create a quick diagram for you. I will take this $3 as an example. I will explain this math right here. All right. So we send traffic wherever you are getting traffic from, could be Instagram, Pinterest, whatever, right? You're sending traffic to a $2.95 offer here. And the magic is not in this offer here. This is just to filter out buyers here. The magic is what happens immediately after someone purchases this offer. Now, because we use an optimized ecosystem, the moment they purchase $2.95 offer, this $3 course here, they are hit with a $12 bump offer, a $47 upsell, advanced upsell, right? And a $27 downsell if they don't purchase this upsell. Now, this is a funnel that I am running right now, all right? And I get 100% commissions for this, and I get like 80% commissions on all of this. And since I get paid this much percentage, the math changes for me. So instead of making $3 here, like $2.95 here, a percentage of those buyers, right? A percentage of those buyers will take these upgrades, probably one or probably all of them. So my average order value for a single customer who goes through this funnel will jump from $3 to roughly about $15 or about 20 bucks, right? $20. So you are instantly liquidating your time and effort with cash flow. Now you might be like, this is not $100 per day, but believe me, here is where the $100 per day math actually gets solved. So what happens is everyone who purchases, regardless of they purchase upsells or downsells or whatever, everyone who purchases that $3 offer, they get sent, right? This gets sent to a private school group, a community where a 5-video, highly valuable training sequence is in place, right? And over the next few days, video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, video 5, over next few days, these videos shifts their beliefs and does the selling for me, right? It does the selling for you, pitching a $700 backend offer. Now let's make the math clear. Let's do it once more, taking this into account, and we will take the conservative numbers in account, right? We are not going crazy with the numbers. We are just going to be conservative here. And by the way, I make like 50% on this, so about $350 in here. Okay, so let's say out of every 10 people who purchased, right, these are buyers who purchased $3 front end, only 1% goes ahead and get the done for you offer. So let's calculate the overall value of these 10 buyers in here. Okay, so 10 buyers at an average order value of $15, which we calculated here. So if we calculate that, then that will be $150. Okay, and 1% upgrades. So 1% upgrade, and I make $350 in here. So that is $350 in commissions. So now my total revenue is $500. So if 10 front end buyers generates $500 in total commissions, that means every single person, every single buyer who purchased that $3 offer initially is worth about $50 to my business. Do you see what happened to the math here? So to make the $100 per day here, I only need about 2 customers, right? 2 people who spends about $3 on my offer, on my front end offer. The back end does the job. And on average, if I do this every single day, get 2 people to buy from me, buy that $3 with the average order math, I will be able to make $100 per day, right? That's it. 2 people a day. That is the entire secret to the business, right? You go around, try to go viral on TikTok, on Instagram, and when you don't get views, you get depressed. And you don't need that. You do not need to go viral. You just need to focus on a specific kind of views, the right kind of views, send it to your funnel that sells the $3 Tripwire offer. And if you can get 2 sales per day like that with the average order value math in here, right, which is kind of accurate, you will be able to make $100 per day on average, right? You don't need to make $100 every single day to get that $100 per day average, right? You do know that, right? You make $6 today, you make $6 tomorrow, suddenly in 5 days later, you are making like commissions for $700 there. $700 in commissions, 2 people purchased after 10 days. These things happen. This is why you need to be patient and work on a proper system. So if you just do this, you just build the machine that will generate about $3,000 per month for you. So that's what I want you to take away from this video. All right. So when you build a system on math instead of hype, this becomes a highly predictable business. Once you have this in place, you just focus on traffic. You just focus on doing those TikTok videos, doing those Insta videos, doing those Pinterest pins, and consistently driving traffic to your hybrid funnel that I just talked about, right? The Tripwire of $3 offer, the backend, and then the high ticket backend. Now, if you want to plug into this exact mathematical ecosystem, click that first link in the description, right? Go through the funnel, buy the $2.95 is the offer that I'm promoting, I personally invested in, right? Go through that videos, go through all the videos and apply whatever that you learn from those videos to your own promos. If you do not want the done for you high ticket stuff, don't buy it. I don't care. If you truly want to sell anything that you want, whatever affiliate offer, digital offer that you have, then you actually go ahead and spend that $3. That's nothing really, right? And learn the exact strategy, the exact psychology on how to really sell any offer, and specifically high ticket offer, without cold DMs, without going on Zoom calls with them. And if you actually get this for just $3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my $0 to $100 case study completely free as a bonus. And by the way, you won't get the bonus by just spending the $3. I want you to go through those 5 videos and then send me an email to get my case study, right? I actually want you to watch it. It's basically life changing if you are into affiliate marketing. Again, if you didn't understand, buy the $3 offer, watch those 5 videos, and then show me the proof, like you can mark it as complete, and also comment down that video whatever you learned from this video. Once I verify that, I will actually send you the access to $0 to $100 per day case study, which I sold about 57 copies and everyone liked it. So yeah, I will see you inside. Click the link below, get it. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.